Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fahadin Iskandar bin Muhammad Faizal. My number matric is AA250162. Our project title is Designing Magnetic Circuit for Efficient Energy Transfer based on core logic. Firstly, logic gates are the fundamental building block of digital electronics and play an important role in controlling the flow of electric current in a circuit. Secondly, among the basic logic gates, AND and OR gate are commonly used to demonstrate how different input conditions affect the output of a system. Lastly, understanding this concept is essential not only in electronic but also in application involving energy transfer and magnetic circuit. The objective of this project are to design and construct basic AND and OR logic gate circuit using discrete electronic component to understand and compare the operating principle of AND and OR logic gate. To observe how logic gate control current flow in an electrical circuit. To demonstrate the relationship between electric current and magnetic field generation. And to relate logic gate behavior to magnetic circuit and efficient energy transfer concept.
My name is Muhammad Zakwan Ismail bin Esmar, Nometric AA251135. For our project scopes, there are 4 different focus that we prioritize in this project. Firstly is the physical modeling itself. We construct a working logic gate circuit, primarily OR gate and AND gate, using the necessary electrical components. Secondly, it is the mechanism focus. In this project, we built a circuit that allow a flow of electrical current to the magnet coil, making an efficient yet controllable transfer of energy. In this project, we can also demonstrate the characteristics of the logic gates. For instance, we can see how the LED turn on based on the requirements of each logic gates. And lastly, the limitation for this project. Since this project revolves around a DC circuit, it cannot be used for any AC appliances for the sake of the simplicity and the safety. For our methodology, we first begin our project by using a digital schematics we make from using Tinkercad. And then, after successfully construct a prototype, we then assemble the circuit using the necessary electrical components such as the transistors, the resistors, LED and jumpers. After that, we then construct an electromagnet. The magnetic circuit was built by winding the copper wire around a metal nail core, ensuring a consistent number of turns to maintain a controlled experiment. After that, we test and verify the circuit. We verified the logic using the LED indicator and measured success by the electromagnet's ability to attract paper clips only when the specific binary input conditions were satisfied.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alamgir Arsyad bin Abdul Awal. My matric number is AA250503. Okay, we proceed to key finding. Firstly, we find the relationship between logic gates and magnetism. Logic gate can be used to control the magnetic energy. The electromagnet was activated only when the logic conditions were satisfied. Secondly, we find magnetic field strength. The strength of the magnetic field depends on the amount of current flowing through the coil. Secondly, the number of turns of the copper wire. Higher current resulted in stronger magnetic attraction, showing the coil to attract more paper clip. Lastly, we find role of the LED indicator. The LED acts as an indicator to show when the logic gate output was active. This helps to confirm current flow to the coil and simplify troubleshooting. Next, we proceed to data and observation. We record the behavior of the circuit by observing the LED and the electromagnetic activation for every possible input combination. I will explain about the AND gate. The AND gate, the activation condition for AND gate is 000, 100, 010, 111. The effect on coil is when both push buttons are set to 1, the magnetic field will be produced. Next, I will explain about the OR gate. The activation condition for OR gate is 000 101 011 111. The effect on coil is a magnetic field will be produced when one push button is set to 1 or both push buttons are set to 1.
My name is Muhammad Akil Afan bin Azhari Sam. My metric is AA251180. For conclusion, this project successfully demonstrated the fundamental difference between AND and OR logic gates through the practical control of an electromagnet. By implementing NPN transistor, we observed that the AND gate required both input to be active to energize the coil, while the OR gate required only one, with the LED providing immediate visual confirmation of the output state. The ability of the energizer coil to extract paper clips provide that binary logic can precisely regulate magnetic energy, confirming that field strength is directly dependent on current flow and the number of wire turns. The last but not least is a further recommendation. We can also use integrated circuits ICS such as 74084 AND gate and 7432 for OR gate to compare discrete and IC based logic gate performance. And then we can add measurement tools such as a multimeter to observe voltage and current values more accurately. And then we can also use a stronger power supply or better coil design to enhance the magnetic field strength. And then we also can apply the same concept to real-world applications such as relays, motors, or transformers for a deeper understanding of efficient energy transfer. Okay, that's all for our present. So thank you.